Hello everybody, my name is Jake and I'm repairing Mercedes wiring harnesses, and this is a sample of my work. This is a M120 v12 for w140 chassis. That's the upper wiring harness. That's a sample how my work looks like. So I will show you in details how it looks. New cables everywhere, new plug housings, original sleeves, rubber sleeves everywhere, a new hose for the camshaft magnetic adjusters. All cables go straight to the main plug, soldered directly on the other side of those pins. You can see it goes inside here. Okay, all cables goes inside. And I have a sample of a bed. Old wiring harness for v12. That's the same. This is 1991. This is 1992. That's pretty much how it looks when it's bad. This hose cracks. There's barely any isolation on the wires. Plugs are broken too. There's a missing piece. Those little tabs on the sides are missing. This one is missing the housing completely. The same situation on the other side. No isolation on the wires. Okay. Those are junction points for power supply for the injector. There are 6 injectors and 1 camshaft magnetic adjuster for here, and the other set for the other side. This is for this side, this one is for this side. That's the worst spot on this harness, is where the wires go up through this this rubber grommet. Okay, it goes on the other side, all cracked up. It should be wrapped with cloth tape here, but it's missing. Somebody took it off. Cracks everywhere. Those are junction points for the temperature sensors for the fuel injection module. There's one. There's another one somewhere here. Okay, I will show you how it's organized on the wiring I'm repairing. So, there is one junction point here, and there is another one here. That's for the injectors and the camshaft magnetic adjusters. And there are junction points for the temperature sensors here. One is here, and there's another one somewhere. Can't really tell where, but it's somewhere. It may be somewhere inside this harness somewhere inside. It's covered with the other wires, but it's definitely somewhere in there. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.